Hello students, good afternoon. In our previous lecture, we were discussing about Neha's alarm clock, correct? And we have left half of our chapter and half of, I think more than half we have already discussed. Only one page only left with us, I think so. Yeah, let me see it. Yes, we have discussed till here and we are about to finish this our chapter and we will discuss few new exercise. Okay. Okay, that Neha's alarm clock, in that our narrator says about when alarm rings at 6 o'clock, what Neha does. So Neha does covering her ear when alarm rings, snuggles under the warm blanket, mutters to herself. All of these things Neha does. Okay. Then Neha wished that this alarm should not ring. And the next time what happens? Alarm is not ringing. And the next day, alarm is not ringing. Why is it is not ringing? That previous day, alarm fell down, so it got broke. Correct? So in that thing, alarm is not ringing, but still Neha is waking up in early morning. Why is that so? Because the chirping bird came. Next day, what happened? That chirping birds came near to Neha window. Still Neha wakes up in early morning, 6 o'clock. Right? And after that, what happens? Neha wakes up. After waking up, Neha what wish thinks in her mind that Neha wished why is this chirping bird comes. And the next day, chirping birds also are not there. But still Neha wakes up at early morning. Why? Because sun comes to wake her up. What sun does fills Neha's room with heat. It makes Neha's room warm. So Neha again wakes up. Correct? See here in a picture that Neha sun is coming in his room. Sunlight is coming in his room. And Neha wakes up. So again Neha wishes that this sun also should not come. So again this wish also Neha's come true. That sun also next day sun is not rising because it is sun has rise but it is hidden in the cloud. So his room is not getting warm. But still Neha need to get up at morning 6 o'clock. Why? Because Neha's mom wakes her up. That Neha's mother says, wake up sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. So Neha thinks, why does mother have to wake me up? Neha feels that way, why does mother wake me up? Okay. So again, now there is no escape for Neha. Okay, Neha had to get up. That we discuss In the next day, what happens? Neha wake up already with start. Neha wake up herself at 6 morning. Neha finds herself wake up at 6 o'clock. Her mother is not waking her up. Alarm is not ringing, chirping, birds are not there, sun also is not there. Still Neha wakes up. How? So to know that how Neha woke up, Neha asked her mother that Ma, who woke me up today? So Neha asked her mother that who woke me up today? So from here we have left our chapter on discussion. So I will read one by one and I will explain it to you. First I will read full phrase, then I will explain. Then narrator says mother smiles. Then mother replied, who else? You of course. Neha said, but I was sleeping, how could I? Mother said, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at one in the afternoon? Neha, I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at my 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax, today is Sunday. Neha, oh. Okay. So, now let me explain the narrator who is telling the story. Correct? That mother is smiling. So, narrator is explaining us that now mother is smiling. Okay. Then mother says, who else? You, of course. That mother is replying to Neha because Neha asked to mother who woke me up. So now mother is replying to Neha with a smile that who else? Of course you. So no, who else? Who else will wake you up? So mother is replying that way that you of course you yourself wake yourself means yourself has woken up. No one has woke you up. Yourself you got woke up. By yourself you got woke up. No one has waked you up. So Neha says, but I was sleeping. How could I? The Neha replied that I was in a sleep. How can myself wake me up? How can I wake up from myself? That she asked to her mother. So mother replies, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? So the mother asked Neha that tell me in every afternoon at 1 o'clock, in afternoon 1 o'clock, why you eat lunch? That our mother asked her. Like in our regular life, you student yourself, you visualize probably every afternoon you are eating lunch, correct? So why do you feel to lunch to do that time only? That what her mother asked to Neha, that why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? So Neha is daily eating her lunch at every afternoon, but that her mother asked her, why do you eat every day at that time only? So Neha replies, I feel hungry. So Neha replying to her mother that I feel hungry at afternoon 1 o'clock, so I eat lunch at that time. So mother again asked her, why do you sleep at 9 every night? So Neha is daily sleeping at 9 o'clock. Okay. So So her mother asked her that, why do you sleep every night at 9 o'clock? Why, whenever in night 9 o'clock come, why do you feel, why you go to sleep, why you sleep in your bed, why? So in our regular life also, you student will sleep in every night, correct? Maybe everyone has a different time, but you sleep at that time. So similar way, Neha's mother asked her, why do you sleep at that time? Correct? So now Neha replies, because I feel sleepy. So every night, evening at 9 o'clock, Neha feels sleepy. So Neha replied that I feel sleepy at 9 o'clock, so I get to sleep. I go to sleep. So now Neha's mother replies to Neha that there is a clock inside you, there is a clock inside you which tell you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. So Neha's mother replying to Neha that there is one clock inside you. There is one clock, some kind of clock inside you, yourself, that in your mind, that wakes you, that feels you hungry at a time, that feels you, that makes you sleep at every night, and that wakes you up, wake up every morning. So Neha mother what says that alarm clock inside you, that one clock, some kind of a visual imaginary clock inside you, that which tells you what that clock tells Neha, that when to eat, when Neha should eat, when to sleep, when Neha need to sleep, and when to wake up, when Neha need to wake up. So that clock is telling Neha when to do lunch, dinner, breakfast. So when to wake up, and when to wake up in the morning, and when to sleep in a night. If you consider yourself, when you get hungry, what you do? You eat. And when you feel sleepy, what you do? Sleeping. And when you wake up in the morning yourself, what you do? You get up from your bed. So no one had asked you to eat, no one had asked you to sleep, and no one asked you to get up. But still, yourself feel hungry, you go for lunch or dinner or snacks or breakfast, anything, correct? And yourself, when you feel sleepy, what you do? You go to your bed and you get sleep. And in the morning, yourself, you get up and get ready for school or breakfast, correct? So similar way here Neha also do same thing. So her mother explain her that there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. So Neha replies now, oh, I better rush now, I don't want to miss the bus. So Neha replies that, oh, after you get to know something, what you do? Oh, that's correct, something like that way you speak. So here also Neha replies that way, oh, correct, I better rush now, I should go now, I should move for the bus, otherwise I will miss the bus. So I will go to school, otherwise I will miss the bus. So her mother says, relax, today is Sunday. So her mother asked her that, relax Neha, today is Sunday, today is holiday. Okay. So here relax is new word to us. Okay. So what is the meaning of relax? So here I will write down the relax meaning. So these are the new words. In our previous class we have discussed: narrator, snuggles, motors, windowsill, and snores. Okay, so the next word is relax. Relax. Okay, so I will write down the meaning of relax. So before I write down the meaning, let me explain what is the meaning of relax. You consider yourself, you have lots of homework, correct? But after finishing your homework, what you feel? Oh, thank God I have completed my homework. You, at the moment you feel relief from the homework, you are free from the homework. So that moment, that feeling is called as a relax. So you are not in a tension that I have to finish my homework, correct? So you got relaxed there. So when you less tense, less anxious, anxious means kind of tension. So the meaning is make or become, make or become less tense, less tense. Okay, there is no tension or less tension. I have explained you one example about homework, that you finished your homework, then you are free from your homework, free from your homework tension. So now you are free from your homework, so you are in less tension. So that makes you relax from that moment. So that is the meaning of relax. Okay, what is the meaning of relax? Make or become less tension. Okay, so that is our new word, relax. Today is Sunday, so Neha's mother is telling Neha that today is Monday, don't take that much tension, relax. Okay, so don't take tension to miss the bus because today is Sunday. Then Neha replies, oh, 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 oh. Then you, whenever you feel like that I have to go school, and then you found that there is no school, today is a holiday, then you feel, oh, correct. So like that when Neha replies, oh, oh, oh. So this story is adapted from Neha's alarm clock. This story is adapted from Neha's alarm clock. And who wrote this? By Girija Rani Asthana. Correct? This story is written by Girija Rani Asthana. Who wrote this story? Girija Rani Asthana. So now we will come to the moral of the story. What we learn from this story. So the story says to us to wake up every morning early, like 6 o'clock. We should wake up ourselves by 6 o'clock, not later. By 6 o'clock we should get ourselves ready. Get up and make yourself ready. Okay, so if you daily wake up 6 o'clock, then you will become habitual about it. So morning 6 o'clock waking up, that will be your habit. So after that no one will require to wake you up from that time. Morning 6 o'clock you will automatically wake up yourself. Okay, so in our daily life we should not depend on alarm or mom will wake me up, your mother will wake you up. We should wake up ourselves by morning 6 o'clock. So in ourself, inside our mind, there is one some kind of clock which will wake you up in the morning 6 o'clock, and we should not sleep more than that. We should wake up by 6. Okay, in every morning we should wake up early and get ourselves ready. Okay, so that is the moral of the story. Okay, whether it is Sunday or holiday, doesn't matter. You should wake up yourself at 6 o'clock. Okay, and do your work of the day after getting ready from the morning. Okay, student, so have you understood the moral? That moral is we should get up every morning early, that is 6 o'clock or before, not after. Okay, so here we have understood our story. Now we will go for the exercise. So here, reading is fun. Tick correct mark in the right answer. Okay, so wherever you see the box, there are 3 options with a question. We need to mark correct which is right. Okay, so here, what time, let me read first question. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock? So there are 3 options. I have prepared the PPT about that. Here you see exercise or reading is fun. Question A, reading is fun. Topic we will discuss. First question is, what time did Neha's clock ringing every morning? So probably you student know about that. At what time Neha's alarm is ringing? We have discussed morning 6 o'clock. So our correct answer is 6 o'clock. So here I don't have a correct sign, so I am making star in the correct answer. You should mark it correct answer, right sign only. Okay, here the shown sign you need to put. Okay, see, let me remove the color. Okay, see, now if you see here, I have marked the red box. That sign you have to put here where I put star. Okay, that is our correct answer. So what Neha's alarm is ringing at every morning 6 o'clock. Correct, that we discuss in our unit 1 story. Correct. Then what did the bird says? In the morning, birds come to windowsill of Neha's room windowsill. Their bird comes. So what those bird is asking to do Neha? That bird asking to do Neha that wake up. So the correct answer is B, wake up. Okay, so the correct answer is B. You need to put correct sign. I marked it here in a red box. That sign you have to put here in the place of star. Okay, because here in my computer I cannot make a correct sign for this PPT, so you need to do that way. Okay, so in a place of star you have to place correct sign. So what is the first question? That Neha's clock ringing every morning at 6 o'clock, and what bird it says? Bird says wake up to the Neha. In the next slide, and the next third question is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? In our body, what is inside? you that makes you wake up every morning. So in last we discussed, there is Neha's mother told Neha that inside your body there is one clock. So in our body there is a clock. So correct answer is our body clock. So our body clock is inside you. Body clock is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day. So correct answer is our body clock. Okay. So when you write the answer, in the place of star you have to mark correct sign. So what it inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day, that is our body clock. So we understood the three question now. First, Neha's alarm is ringing at 6 o'clock. Second, bird says Neha to wake up. And third, in our body there is a alarm clock, body clock, which makes you get up at the same time every day. That is 6 o'clock every day Neha is waking up. Neha's body clock is waking her up every day morning 6 o'clock. Now we will see the next exercise. If you see in a PDF, put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. ILESM. So these words are random. See, ILESM. So out of this 5 word ILESM, we have to adjust those words. We have to write in correct order. So the answer will be correct. The word will be correct. So ILESM, from there if you put S as the first, then second M, third I, L E, fourth L, fifth E. So what comes? Smile. That is a proper word. ILESM is not a proper word. So smile is a proper word. So we need to finish the remaining word. So think about that. MRALA. From there what can be the word? If you see, alarm. Alarm is the correct answer. The correct answer is alarm. Alarm. Okay. You see, first I put ALA, then I put RM. So correct answer is alarm. Alarm. Okay, alarm. First was smile, second is alarm, and third OCKLC. What do you think? That can be, if you put C as a first, then second L, then OCK, that is clock. The correct answer is clock. And the norming, NORMING, norming is not a correct word, but what can be the correct word is morning, right? Morning spelling is MORNING. So same, first I will write MORNING. Morning is a correct answer. Then EDORNS. Okay, so here what is the correct answer? That Neha was doing snoring. So here snored. That is our correct answer. If you use SNORED, snored. Snored meaning we have seen here. What is snoring? Means when you sleep, you make, see here, snores is given to breathe noisily through your nose. Correct? So the correct answer is snored. Then Wodwin. WODVIN. So what is the correct word here? Window is possible, not other word. So correct answer is window. Correct, student? So what we need to order the here, whatever the word is given here in this point, in this box, that word we need to place in a correct order, so we get a correct word. So in a letter we need to put in right order. So what I did here, we have put every word in a right order. For ILESM, smile, MRAILA, that is alarm, OCKLC, that is clock, NORMING, that is morning, EDORNS, that is snod, WODVIN, that is window. So we have placed in a correct order and we have wrote the correct answer. Okay student, so today we will discuss up to here only. Up in the next class, what we will do, we will finish our exercise of whatever remaining is there. Okay, we will discuss whole exercise in our next lecture and we will finish this chapter. So in the next class we will discuss full chapter. So today what we discuss, we have finished the moral of the story, that is we should wake up early daily morning at 6 o'clock and by ourselves. We should make our habit to wake up by ourselves at morning 6 o'clock. After that we have seen one word also, relax. What is the meaning of relax? And we have in a previous class discussed about new words. And then we discussed few exercise, that is reading is fun. So we have multiple choice question is there. What time Neha wake up? That is 6. Bird says to Neha wake up. And then we have seen our body clock is there. Later we have give the right order to the given letters and we have wrote the correct answers. So in the next class we will discuss the remaining exercise. So till then what you need to do student, that you need to write down all the new words 5 times. Okay, write it down 5 times. Remember the meaning, remember the spelling of the new words, read the story, understand the story, and understand the moral of the story, and write down the exercise until we have discussed. Okay, see you in a next class. Thank you.